TechnoGIMP, Module 12. Make me a 3D. Overview. Situation. You are planning on joining a poster competition in school. To make your entry more appealing, you thought of using 3D text on your poster. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Create 3D text. Number 2. Insert a background image using the Import Image tool. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app, downloadable images. Learn. Key terms. 3D modeling refers to the process of creating a three-dimensional representation of an object. Rendering, the process of generating a photorealistic or non-photorealistic image from a 2D or 3D model by means of a computer program. Stereoscopy, sometimes called stereoscopic imaging. It is a technique used to enable a three-dimensional effect. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then, tap the menu button. Number 2. Locate and select the image you want to use as background. Number 3. The image should then appear on the canvas. Number 4. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Type the text that you want to add. Change its font family, font size, and font style under Format options. Then tap Done. Number 5. To change its color, tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text. Then tap Done. In this example, the color brown was used. To rotate the text, drag the rotate handles. Tap the text when done. Number 6. Repeat the step on adding text, but this time, use a different color for the text. In this example, the color white was used. Number 7. To make your text appear in 3D style, place the second text on top of the first text and slightly move it to the right. Tap the text when done. Number 8. To complete rendering in 3D style, use the Line tool to connect and close the corners of the first text with the second text. Use the same color as the first text and adjust the stroke width as needed. Number 9. Notice the difference between open and closed corners. Number 10. Repeat the steps to add more text. Number 11. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save.